website. This is what we should see right now. Now to answer any questions, let's stop the capture. Let's go over here. The browser was running. You check over here. 1.1, 1.1. So they're both running 1.1. Accepted languages. Click over here. Accept into the server. I'm sure it says it over here. Accepted language. ENUS. The IP address 128.119.124.12. IP. Oh, that's theirs. Oh, my bad. Mine is 10.21.6.3. And theirs is 128.119.245 and 12. Now status message. When you click right here from the server, it's status code 200 with the status code description OK, response phase OK. What's the last HTML file that you're retrieving? Last modified. So it says last modified is last modified Sunday 01 Sept 2024 055902 GMT. How many bytes am I transferring over? Content length right there is 128, and then you can also look down here, see file data 128 bytes. Am I expecting the raw data in the packet below? Do you see any headers within the data? No, I do not see anything down here. I don't see any headers in the data that is not displayed in the packet listing window of the HTTP file. Alright, and that'll be it for the basic HTTP GET/response interaction. Alright, now for HTTP conditional GET/response interaction. So what we're going to do is we're going to start Wireshark again. Open up our fresh browser. Right here and quickly right again do that. And now we stop our packet sniffer. So now we answer these questions. So 08. So we look at the first one, which would be this one. There is no modified. If modified sends line into the HTTP GET. 09. Oh, yes, it did, because if you click right here, you can see in the line-based text data that it had the lines did show over here. So that's number 10. And that's number 9. But number 10 is asking us, do we see in the next one, which would be right here, the next get one. And it says yes, if modified since September 1st on Sunday. And what's the status code? So we click right here, it says the status code 304, status code description not modified. And that will be for the HTTP conditional GET/response interaction section. Alright, now with retrieving long documents. So we're going to start Wireshark, go into Firefox, input the next file, and then stop it. Now to answer any the questions for this side, we are going to first, it only sent one HTTP GET response to it, and that would have been section 13, packet number 13 at least. Which packet number is status code. So status code would be this one. So it's be in packet number 20. And status code is okay. It was status code 200. Response okay. How many lines in TCP segment? So we're going to look right here. Has 4 reassembled TCP segments. So there's 4. And that's going to be it for the retrieving long document section. Alright, now for the HTML documents and embedded objects. So we are going to go to our web browser, start Wireshark, put in the next file, and that's going to showcase the whole um, Pearson's textbook. So we are going to stop this right here now. And for any of the questions, so how many HTTP GET requests did your browser send? So it sent this one right here that goes to the HTML page. This one right here that retrieves the Pearson PNG, and this one right here, the 8th edition small cover JPEG. The Wireshark one would be 128.119.245.12. The Pearson one would be 128.119.245.12, and the small edition would be 17879.137.164. Now, how can you tell whether your browser downloaded the 2 images serially or whether they were downloaded from the 2 websites in parallel? Yes, you can. So you could see when I launched the website, it said okay. It went to go. I believe the browser downloaded the 2 images serially because they got the first image Pearson.png was requested, and it was sent before the second image, the 8th edition small cover JPEG, was requested by the browser. And if they were parallel, they would have been returned in the same time period, which you can see they are not. And that would be the conclusion for the HTML documents with embedded objects. And finally, we could go on to HTTP authentication. So if we open up Firefox and we go right here, it's gonna ask us to sign in. The password, the username we have is Wireshark-student. Let me check that again. Oh, we should probably check the Wireshark students. Okay. We could retry this real quick, just because we did not start the packet sniffer. So history, just clear the cache real quick. Perfect. Now let's start Wireshark. Right here, it's gonna see it. Let's do Wireshark dash students, and the password is network. And this, well, let's us into the page, and then we're gonna stop the capture here and answer the questions. So what's the server response status code and phrase in response to initial HTTP? Okay, so you can see we sent it right here. Next one, it says right here, status code was 401 unauthorized. And for question 19, when did your browser send the HTTP the second time? What new fields included in the HTTP GET message? So when you do it again, it says okay, but when you come down here, something you will see is authorization. And it gives you the basic authorization saying that we are authorized to check out the page. So, and that should be it for Lab 1 Part 2.